As a healthcare organisation, our overriding objective must be to provide high-quality patient care.
It is absolutely crucial that at every point we minimise risk and minimise the downtime.
Risk. All organisations need to avoid it. In healthcare, minimising the risk is crucial. That's why York Health Services Trust asked Cisco and HP Services to build a converged voice and data network that could support advanced applications such as medical imaging and electronic patient records. Today, that converged network is the foundation for an IP telephony system that serves life-critical departments throughout the hospital and supports delivery of care to the region's 330,000 citizens.
We provide healthcare 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Therefore, if IT cannot support the effective delivery of healthcare, we could actually have a detrimental impact on people's lives.
At York Health, the IP telephony solution provided by HP and Cisco has undoubtedly met our core requirements of stability and reliability.
It is over 2 years ago since we deployed IP telephony. I'm very pleased to state that we've had a very stable, robust and resilient network infrastructure in place, that we've had no major problems with the phones.
It is unquestionably added to the quality of care, particularly at ward level, where many of our clinicians now have access to information at bedside which they previously would have struggled to find.
Outpatient services have also improved. Patients who once had to make numerous phone calls for care now call an IP-based contact centre, which was rapidly deployed thanks to the new converged network.
What we have got is a one-stop shop for patients. They phone one single number and they will then deal with all their outpatient queries. The beauty of the Cisco IP telephony solution is, in fact, it is just built on our data network. By deploying a single converged network, then you end up with the return of investment. You only have one cabling infrastructure to maintain, you only have one computer room to maintain. Your staff can end up being multi-skilled to deal with both voice and data inquiries.
Without question, we've been able to manage our infrastructure at a very cost-effective rate, and it has allowed us to develop systems and applications at an equally cost-effective rate.
HP and Cisco have been instrumental in helping us develop this phenomenal infrastructure which will allow us to grow over a number of years, whether that's to deploy clinical imaging, whether it's to deploy IP telephony, it doesn't really matter. We have the fundamental building blocks there in place. It is scalable, it will allow us to grow, it will allow us to deploy it across the whole local health community rather than just in an acute hospital.
The HP Cisco solution has been so successful. The neighbouring communities of Selby and York are teaming up with York Health Services Trust to deploy IP telephony across their network of doctors.
This project is absolutely key to Selby and York PCT. We have a lot of different sites across a wide area with patients moving to and from hospital. This is going to be the key solution that allows us to bring that together. When delivering this project, one of the things we didn't have to worry about was the choice of supplier. We'd seen great things of the work between York Trust and HP and Cisco, and they were clearly the right people to be working with us for our network.
When lives are at stake, downtime is not an option. Cisco and HP Services worked together to ensure the IP telephony solution stays up and running.
The HP Services team work very closely with us from initial design right through to implementation, and in so doing are making a valuable contribution to the development of services in this organisation, and quite rightly will share the success this brings.
To ensure the provision of high quality healthcare, we always have to ensure that we can provide a flexible service, and that's really where HP and Cisco come in. They can end up working with us through our various problems, proving that the infrastructure is flexible, it has got room for growth, and it is future proof. The limit really is your imagination.